how to turn on guest requests on TikTok Live. Now let's start. First, what you'll need to do is you need to open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, you need to first go live. Now to go live, you need to tap on this plus icon on the bottom. After you tap on the plus icon, if you scroll down here, right besides template, you will have your live option. After you have your live option, click on it and you'll go live. Now after you go live, you will have this option that says host. After you click on the bottom right host, this will open up. Now after this opens up, you need to tap on the setting on the top right, and then this setting will open up. Now here you will need to turn on this allow requests from viewers. Now after you allow requests from viewers, viewers will be able to send you requests to join you on your live, and then you can accept that request, and then you can do multi-guest requests. So that is how you turn on guest requests on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.